In this video, we will give you an in-depth walkthrough of the Tidex platform. First, we'll cover how to create your account and navigate the homepage. Once you're logged in, you can access your dashboard, where you can check your balances, open orders, and trading history. To start trading, go to the Market section where you can choose from a variety of trading pairs. Select your preferred crypto pair, such as BTC/USDT, and view the order book, market price, and chart for that pair. When you're ready to place a trade, simply select whether you want to buy or sell, enter the amount, and hit confirm. Tidex also offers advanced order types like limit and market orders to suit your trading style. You can also fund your account with various deposit options including cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. Before we dive into purchasing, did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. To withdraw funds, simply go to the wallet section, select the asset you want to withdraw, and enter the recipient's address. Tidex ensures that all withdrawals are secure, and you'll receive your funds promptly. If you're looking for a secure and reliable platform to trade, Tidex offers everything you need. Be sure to explore all the features, and don't forget to check out the advanced charting tools and trading options for a more professional experience. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give us a like for more tutorials.